So, Kun Nirasha, let's now get some updates on the oil market. Now we have Kun Pongpun Amornvivat on the line with us. He is the business manager of the Thai Oil PCL. สวัสดีค่ะคุณพงษ์พันธ์
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ Well, there's the news of the approval of the Greece austerity package to bail out the country, and so which has set the oil price early this week going up. Now, what does this signify?
Well, I think with the positive outcome of the Greece situation from the news that we see right now,
yes,
it looks like they will be able to get another loan from the EU and IMF, and that should help prolong the situation, the debt situation in Europe a little bit further. So that helps in terms of the sentiment, in terms of the oil demand in Europe, that it's not going to be significantly drop off in the short term. So that helps the market in terms of positive demand outlook for Europe. So it adds on to the price. This is actually on top of other situations like the conflict in the Middle East, Iran, Israel, and all those guys that has been pushing up the oil price since early this year.
Yes.
Well, since the Moody's downgraded the European countries, how is this pressuring the oil price?
Well, I think in terms of the issue of the downgrade, this is not actually a big surprise. I think the market has already expected that the downgrade will happen. So personally, I think it's already priced into the price of crude price already.
Yes.
What seems to be the direction of the global demand and supply of the commodity?
What's that again, sorry?
So according to that, what seems to be the direction of the global demand and supply of the commodity?
In terms of the demand supply of the oil market, the demand this year, many institutions estimate that the demand will increase globally around 1 million barrels per day.
Right.
Yes.
And make the total demand for the world to be a little bit above 90 million barrels per day. And I think this is still in line. Lately some people have been trying to lower their forecast, but I think with the situation in Europe, where the economic situation may not be as bad as people think in terms of the situation in Greece and other countries. So that may help in terms of the demand consumption this year.
Yes.
So demand should definitely go up, but definitely it will be led by the country in Asia, especially China and India, where the GDP growth is still going strong. In terms of supply, it's still quite restricted.
Now, looking into Thailand, can you update us on the local oil prices?
The local oil price has been on the way up, for several weeks since we opened this year. Partly, definitely due to the world market, where the oil price in the world market has climbed up steadily throughout the 2012. Additionally, the government has been implementing additional tax and oil fuel fund collection back into the oil price. So that has, unfortunately brought up the price to a new level. And looking forward, now the marketing margin is quite, reasonable right now. So with the oil price, on the way up again, if the situation in the Middle East worsens, then we may see more increase at the retail level, but I don't think it's going to be within the next few days. It may be further down the road.
Okay, well, thank you very much and have a great afternoon.
Thank you so much.